I got an email from a friend of mine the other day asking me about the Ooni pizza oven. Jimmy writes, Albert, I'm thinking about getting a pizza oven for the backyard. I've looked into the Ooni Coda 16, which looks pretty nice. Have you heard much about it? Just wondering. It seems like it would be good, but it's a little pricey in this economic climate. My response was this. Hi, Jimmy. I have heard quite a bit about the Ooni. All the reviews I've seen about the Ooni are positive. I have several friends who have decided to take the plunge and purchased an Ooni. Every one of them loves their Ooni oven. For a portable oven, they make a lot of sense. They have a number of varieties. Some use wood pellets, some are gas-fired, and some are a combination of both. There are lots of choices, so you'll be able to find the exact Ooni that's your needs. I think getting an Ooni depends on the kind of pizzas you're trying to make and what you're looking for in a pizza oven. The Ooni Coda 16 will let you make a much bigger pie. So while they make smaller models, I think the Ooni Coda is a winner. As far as price, you really get what you pay for. Installing a permanent backyard pizza oven can cost much more than you'd pay for an Ooni. For many years, I've heard pizza makers wanting a portable, low-cost alternative to the backyard oven. And I think the Ooni pizza oven has revolutionized home pizza. Ooni has both affordability as well as portability. This oven is a game changer. The Ooni can get up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, and that'll cook a pizza in 90 seconds. Now, you may not need to get up to that high temperature, but you can easily scale it back to the 700 to 800 degree level. I understand that the Ooni is a big investment, but if you're willing to make the investment in great pizza, Ooni is the answer. I don't think you can go wrong. The best thing is they're totally portable, so when you're not making pizza, you can store them out of the elements. Plus, you can take your pizza operation on the road if you want to go camping or make pizza on the beach. The question for me is this: is it worth the investment? Will I be making lots of pizzas? Now, with any pizza oven, there's a learning curve. You'll be able to make great pizza, but understand you may have to do some experimentation and tweaking to create good pizza, but I'm sure you'll get it down. The Ooni will make great pizza in your backyard, and I've seen several people make pizza commercially just using the Ooni. Now don't take my word for it. Tony Gemignani, my friend, loves his Ooni. He's made a number of pizzas which he calls totally delicious. The benefits of being able to cook your own wood-fired pizza in your backyard make this a great choice for anyone who loves making their own pizza. And the fact that it's totally portable allows you to take the pizza party with you on the go. Make sure you check out the Ooni website for more inspiration for making pizza. They've got lots of recipes right there. They also have a very active Facebook page and a Facebook group for Ooni owners. So if you have any questions, you can just shoot it directly to them. You'll get help right away. Now, honestly, purchasing an Ooni is a real commitment, but it's a great way to complete your own pizza journey. I'll put links below this video if you want more information about the Ooni, and I must say I am an affiliate for Ooni pizza ovens, and if you purchase through my links, I will be compensated. I recommend the Ooni for anyone who wants to take pizza to the next level. Good luck in all your pizza adventures. Pizza on Earth, goodwill to all.